Hi, my name's Steve Ray. I'm here with UK Planet Tools today at the Makita UK headquarters in Milton Keynes. We're going to have a look at the ADP05 USB LXT adapter from Makita. Quite a simple device. All it does is slot onto your battery and allow you to charge 2 USB devices at a time. So the unit itself, LXT battery fits on the bottom. On the top of the unit we have a large belt hook. On the back we have an on-off switch and then 2 USB ports. The 2 USB ports both give out an output of 2.1 amp hours, so they have got plenty of power to be able to charge iPhones, iPads, Android phones and laptops. All we do is slot it onto our 18 volt LXT battery, plug that into one of the USB slots. They both deliver 2.1 amp hours, so it doesn't matter which one you put it in, and that will now charge our USB device. That is the ADP05 O for the olive, or ADP05 just for the standard Makita blue.